Hey guys, it's me. Well, this is part 2, so I don't need an introduction because you've probably seen our videos before. Just like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Here we go. Part 2. My balls still hurt from part 1. Okay. Yeah, so we're about to go down again, just start hitting my balls. But this time it's going to be epic jump! I'm going to jump, like maybe belly flop, I don't know. But like, we're angling from a different place. I'll even stand up for you. See here? Okay, so let's move over here. Over here? Camera guy, be faster. You're more than lumpy. You need to be faster. Okay, move over here. Over here. Yeah. So watch me do this epic jump. Epic. What's that? Ah! Make sure to like and subscribe for extra